Hey guys, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to run Cypress test in headless mode. So basically, we can run headless with browser, something like you can see the browser while it's running with Chrome, Firefox, and Electron, right? So headless also we can run actually. So that we are going to see in this video. So here is the basic test. So I took some demo site for a basic UI automation. Already you have done it. Otherwise refer my previous videos if you are starting from this. Okay. So once you've done, already I have opened the Cypress also. Okay. So when I click headless test, it just open the browser and you can see whatever is happening. Okay, this is fine for one or two test cases, but when you are running multiple 100 test cases, the browser memory, lot of stuff will consume, right? Why it has to run, and maybe it might disturb your actual work. So run it on the background. You do your work. Final, just go and see the result. Okay, this is how you will see the output. Okay, so all the session, everything. So in headless, let's see how to run the headless. Just stop this. I'm just going to a terminal mode, npx Cypress run. So I have to run only this test, right? So I will specify spec integration UI test headless test. So if I run, what will happen? This also will open a browser. Okay, this is similar to like how we are running from the UI. Okay, so what you have to add, Cypress run, just add hyphen headless. Okay, so when you are adding this tag, it will run the test in headless mode. Actually, you cannot see the browser or something coming up and showing the actions, so you cannot see anything. You can see the result finally. Okay, but still you can verify which browser and all it's running. Let me show you once it started. Okay, yeah, so Cypress Electron, it's running with Electron browser. So by default, if you add a headless, so it's like it always run with Electron. Okay, so if you want to run with Chrome, I will give you a command also after seeing this result. So when you are running with UI, no, you cannot see any recording videos and all. But when you are running from the command prompt, like a screenshot will be taken and starting processing. So that video and all will be recorded and it will show on this place. Okay, it will show the video location, all test pass. Okay, this is how you will get a report, and here you will get all test pass. Okay, I think this is running with Electron. Now we will run with the Chrome, the same command. So I'm going to add a browser, Cypress run -b Chrome. If I add this, so it will run on Chrome browser and headless mode. So it's that way. Okay, so we can use this command for running like by showing on the screen, and headless with Electron and headless with Chrome and headless with Firefox. So whatever it support, headless mode support, you can run with this. Okay, here you can see Chrome 83. It's running with Chrome 83. So once it's done, you can see the same result how you are seeing, right? Like this you can see. So you can open that video and you can watch also. Okay, and if you want to learn more commands about like Cypress and command, like you can see everything here. See, just headless by adding you can run, and by adding a parallel you can run parallel. That and all we can see in some other video. Okay, so that's it guys. It's very simple, and it's nothing difficult and all. Running headless, nothing configuration. You have to just add one tag when you are running through command prompt, I think. So that one also done. Chrome one also done and pass. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel, and please wait for more videos from my channel.